Okay, so a problem statement is that Prabhi's brother works at an IT company 7 kilometers away from his house. And he used to use a shared cab, but due to safety reasons, now he cannot. So we have to provide a solution.
Yes.
Kavya, it's your turn.
So we have designed a prototype which consists of two acrylic sheets, UV lights, Fox leather sheets, and sanitizer. The acrylic sheets will separate the driver and the passenger, maintaining social distancing. It will also have small holes so the air can flow. Passengers would not suffocate. There will be UV lights on top of the passenger seat so that the passengers can be sanitized continuously. The seats will be covered with Fox leather sheets, so it is affordable and also can be sanitized very easily. There will also be sanitizers. The passengers will have to wash their hands with the sanitizer before and after the ride. The payment will be done online.
Um, okay, so our product pricing is about 800 rupees, and we decided the sheets because they're very cheap and they're very easy to get, and instead of fox leather covers, fox leather sheets are more cheap, so we didn't use fox leather covers. And we also use UV lights, so the passengers are getting sanitized continuously. And we use
So in this
acrylic sheets. Yes.
yes, always you can continue.
Yes, and we use acrylic sheets instead of glass, as if there are some bumps on the road, the glass could break and there could be some serious injuries. So we are using acrylic sheets as they're way cheaper.
So as you can see in this Word document, we have explained it with the actual car model. So the yellow lines and the yellow color which you can see represents the acrylic sheet. Uh, the red colored red boxes uh, are depict the UV rays and stand. The green part which you can see are air conditioner purifier. So this is the side view. In this way, the acrylic sheet will be placed, maintaining social distancing between the passenger and the driver. The blue boxes represent the UV ray boxes which send UV rays to sanitize the passenger continuously.
We use all these materials to keep it cheap because not many drivers can afford those things. So we thought we should keep it cheap so everyone can afford it.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, team. And now the panel, the forum is open for the discussion.
Okay. So Prithvi and Kavya, very well done.
Yes. Thank
Mm.
you.
So you said that the acrylic sheet which would be put in between would have holes, you said, right, for air circulation?
Yes.
Okay. So why are
Small
we putting
holes.
this? Okay. Why are we putting this acrylic in the first place?
So that the passengers cannot come in contact with each other
That's right. So essentially it is
to
used as a
maintain
shield.
social distancing.
Okay.
Yes.
It's used as a shield. But the moment you put small openings there, what happens? The virus is so small, it can actually go through the openings, isn't it?
What? I didn't hear you.
No, if you put openings there in the acrylic, the virus can actually flow through that, isn't it, with air?
Yes, but the
Yes.
openings will be so small that only the means yes, you are right that the virus could spread, but
So,
the person needs to breathe and so that they don't suffocate. And
yeah,
And
that's right.
as the slogan is going on, no mask, no entry.
Right, good.
That will
Yes,
also be continued in the cabs.
good.
So,
Uh,
so the connect the
what I would make a
contact with the virus
suggestion
would
here.
be reduced.
Good, good. What I would like to make you to think through is we want openings for what? To make sure that the air circulation happens. We don't want the opening because the virus should come in. So anytime whenever you look into a problem, you should look at what is required and what is not required. I want the opening, I don't want the opening. You can able to solve that problem when that opening should be there. If it is required when the passenger is not there, you don't have a problem, right? When the passenger
yes,
is there, at that time only you should not have the opening. So when you look into your solutions, what you are coming with the ideas, which is very good, whatever with what you have done, it's very good. You can look into that particular aspect and say, I want this, I don't want this. If you can start looking into that direction, then you would able to generate something very, very interesting ideas. Job well done.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Kavya and what's the second name? I missed out.
Prithvi.
Prithvi, yes, Prithvi and Kavya, fantastic. So seeing the efforts coming out from 8th standard student of this caliber is commendable. I mean, I remember my own time when I was in 8th standard, I would have never thought of these kind of ideologies coming up with an acrylic sheet and talking about these things, which is great. Great to see your efforts. But as Mr. Tito was talking about the acrylic sheet and the holes involved over there, one more important aspect is think from the condition where is acrylic sheet is that strong enough to take any kind of impact or any sudden impact comes on road with the passenger sitting over there. Have you guys done some kind of analysis over there? Because this is also one important thing.
Yes,
We
sir.
decided about taking glass. Then, as you said, that idea came into our minds that if there is a sudden accident or a bump, the glass will be shattered and so the acrylic sheets at our houses, and we have tested them that due to any harsh contact, it is very difficult for them to break. And even if they break, they are not as hard to cause any harsh injury. That
Okay, good, because this is your, key differentiator. What can make the difference in your, pragmatic approach for solving this? And also one important thing, you guys have highlighted for backseat UV boxes. So just make sure, because cost is equally a constraint. The moment you
So,
say UV rays, it has its own impact and there are cost implications to it. So make sure that you don't overshoot. So just wanted to understand, is there any alternate you guys have thought, or is this the only solution you would have preferred?
this is the only solution.
Okay.
and
Okay.
if UV rays are also not provided, there will be sanitizers which are like a new trend recently.
Yeah, indeed. You rightly mentioned no mask, no entry. So you could have also thought as an alternate for sanitizers, coming up some automated, because nowadays sanitization is the most trendiest thing. So, you could have thought a place or segment for sanitizers rather than UV, because sanitizers are relatively not that, could be a possibility. UV is definitely important, but keeping in continuous observation of UV rays could be, could have its own effects, side effects rather. So you could have thought for sanitization in place, majorly, rather than having UV boxes. But on it all, you guys have gathered it so well for 8th standard students. Amazing work, great concept. And I'm just wanted to ask, whose dream is to be an automotive engineer? Because the way you guys have thought for this thing is, it looks like either one of you would have been like, great thought, Kavya, if that's your good idea. I'm sure you'll succeed in future.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. We have a question from Professor Satya, that what is 800 rupees cost and how do you know that other people can't copy your idea?
We thought about first we calculated everything with all the materials, so we put an 800 rupees cost, so it's affordable and like everyone can buy it. And about people copying, we can't stop it. Plus, like if we want, we can get a patent, but that's too expensive, and we can't do it now.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Mr. Kishan, you were on mute. I think you spoke something.
Okay, I was just saying that you can able to patent it. Don't worry. Do you want to be an inventor before you graduate from your school? Do you want to be? Yes
I'm
or
not
no?
sure.
Okay, Kavya says yes. If you say yes, absolutely. Think about the problems. Think about situations where you want things and where you don't want things, and you can provide solutions. Like what Professor asked you a question. UV rays is harmful for people. So then you need UV rays because it sanitizes, it kills the bacteria or virus, and it should not be there because it actually does harm to the human. So when you don't need it, anytime you get to that situation, you get great solutions.
And just to add it up, if you really guys want to patent it, trust me, there is no age to have a patent acknowledged in your name. So
Not
don't
required.
think about the costs and all. Guys, go for it if you think you're confident about for your prototypes.
Yeah, I would encourage you to
Sure.
think about parenting. Seriously.
Great.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Miss Manisha, you have any questions or any feedback to be given?
Yeah, so hello, Kavya and Prithvi, interesting idea. Did you get a chance to speak to any taxi owner or what were their thoughts when you told them about your idea? Did you get a chance to get their feedback?
We thought about that, but we are due to social distancing, we are not that allowed to leave our houses.
Okay.
As our Prime Minister also said, but we are trying to still contact some Uber drivers
Okay.
by me booking an Uber and then calling them.
Sure.
Telling
Okay, that's fine. That's interesting. So good idea. All the best. Yeah.
Great.